Hey Kajabi partners, I'm Allie, and in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to get your unique affiliate link from inside your partner dashboard to use whenever you're referring someone to Kajabi. You'll want to make sure to use your affiliate link every time you make a referral because it allows us to credit you as a Kajabi partner and make sure that you get paid your 30% lifetime commission. Remember, as a Kajabi partner, you get this commission on all Kajabi members that you've referred to the platform for as long as they have active accounts. So you can find your affiliate link in a few easy steps, and here's how you do it. First, I'm going to log into Kajabi. Then I'm going to navigate down to the bottom left-hand corner where it says Kajabi Partners. Once you're on your partner dashboard, you'll see a lot of additional things up top, but we're going to ignore that for now and just grab our affiliate links. So scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says Campaigns, and on the right-hand side, you're going to click Browse Campaigns. From there, you're going to be taken to our Kajabi Partner Campaign dashboard. So this is going to give you a list of all of our current campaigns that partners are eligible to run traffic to. I'm going to choose the Kajabi homepage because this is just going to send my referrals to kajabi.com where they can get all the information they need about the platform. I'm going to click Create Link. So now we're going to name our campaign. A pro tip we suggest is adding where you plan to promote the campaign as the campaign name. So let's say you're going to promote on social, you can put Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Maybe you're going to send an email out about the campaign and you want to put email campaign plus the date that the email is going to be sent. So for these purposes, I'm going to put email campaign. Now click Save. You'll see here I have a list of campaign links, and the one I just created is at the very bottom, named Email Campaign. I can copy my link here and send it out. You can come back to this page and compare how different campaigns did. So let's say you promoted on Facebook one day and an email campaign the next day, and you want to see which one got the most clicks, trialing, or active. You can do that here. You can also copy each individual link, and it'll drive traffic to the homepage campaign. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your affiliate link when you're referring someone to Kajabi. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.